All right, what's going on, everybody? I just realized I probably should be filming what I'm doing, so here we are. I purchased a new lip. It is the BaysonR CR replica lip. So, yeah, I know. I've had a real one, had the real bumper, it was already mounted, etc., etc. I get it. Sorry if this fan's loud. It is 8,000 degrees outside. But the fitment is actually pretty damn good. Just little, what is that? That'll come off. Little gap there, but I am gonna do the lip liner. I have it, so I'm going to do it. My buddy will be paint matching this eventually, hopefully soonish. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty on there. I won't post this video until probably once it's all completed and painted. But I've been wanting a lip and I just couldn't make up my mind, and for $170, why not, you know? So yeah, so me figuring why not, this will be aggressive enough, it'll look great. I mean, CR lips always look good. It'll complete the wing at least, and there's a couple other things I want. Calvin, you know what I want, aka diffuser, but we'll see on that. We have so many family trips scheduled this year and next year, so it's like kind of fun money has to, you know, relax. But yeah, I'm actually very pleased. The lip is nice. The hardware here, I'll show you. It comes with I feel like I'm maybe doing something wrong, but comes with extra clips, I guess, for underneath. Probably like if you were, I don't know. I don't actually understand why it came with clips. It came with these brackets too, which I didn't. I possibly may need to use them. I put them, these bolts and stuff on here. 2CR, AB2CR. It mounts. I mean, it literally mounted beautifully there. I'm gonna get another bolt and put that one there, and it's, I mean, really freaking solid. Some of the edges aren't perfect. I mean, you can see a little bit of light through there. I mean, I guess that is what it is. It's not a $1,100 lip, you know what I mean? So that is kind of a bummer. This is the first I've seen that. It just, but with the lip liner, you know, I mean, you won't notice, which is fine with me. Bothers me, of course, a little, but this will look good, man. Fits nice. You want to be nitpicky, of course, you know, it's not OEM, so I understand. But around the edges, around the edges fits good. That's from my, these. I'm gonna try to figure how to put these bad boys on. The problem is where my holes were. Don't know. I might need to order some new ones from Renegade, but we'll figure it out. Maybe I'll run them. Yeah, that really nice hardware from them, like very, very close to OEM. Yeah, once I'll lower it down and I'll show what it looks like. I'll take a couple pictures and stuff, but I was going to use this tape to help me kind of mount it up, but I ended up, the lip fit so good I didn't really need them. But that's obviously where tape goes for some reason. There we go. All right. Okay. Now that it's dark, let's get under here and try to show you. I use those brackets. Oh, that fan is just really fanning, huh? All right. I use those brackets. I used a bolt and a nut on each side. Got one in that one that was missing. So I mean, this thing's, I mean, really, god dang, I suck, really on there. And I got these carbon pieces mounted. That's it kind of moves a lot. Well, that's the whole bumper flexing, so that's pretty good. Try to figure out maybe a better way to mount these. Hopefully that looks all right. I like it anyway, but yeah. So there we have it. Lip is mounted. Hopefully I can get it back on there without messing up paint once the paint happens. Hopefully August 21st. It is July 28th, so we have less than a month, which is pretty neat. Okay. And it'll be matched. I actually don't hate the black, which is, it's kind of cool looking. Looks aggressive, but anyway.